afternoon, good morning, good evening, or wherever you may be while you're viewing this video. My name is Greg Napier, and I'm coming to you from my home here in Columbus, Ohio. And I want to share with you some things that a lot of people just aren't aware of. And it's things that are hidden in plain view that the IRS and the creditors just don't want you to know, or you just aren't interested enough to find out until you go and try to get a home or a car, and then you find out the hard way that you haven't been checking your credit, you haven't been finding out why these things are on your credit report, and the list just goes on, and then people are baffled, and then they're hiring all these different people to try to make an attempt to clean your credit up, but there's a lot of things that you can do yourself. Yes, very simple, but most people they don't have the time, or they don't want to, or they just don't understand how it all works. Henceforth, this is where I come in, and I've partnered up with some people that can actually show you how to actually start the process of repairing your own credit, doing the same things that you would pay thousands of dollars for, and you only pay this one time. And there's going to be a link somewhere in the description that you can click on it and find out how you can start the process of cleaning your credit up, so you won't be caught in the dark, and you'll know exactly why these things are hidden in plain view.